Installation Guide. Please prepare a screwdriver before installation. Check your door to see if the latch needs to be adjusted. Install the latch if the backset is 2 3/4 as in 60 millimeters. If the backset is 2 3/4 as in 17 millimeters, push the slide upwards. Then while holding the release button, pull outward to extend it to 17 millimeters. Mount the lock onto the door, ensuring during installation that the beveled edge of the lock faces the door frame. Use screw for fixation. Installing the exterior assembly. Ensure that the cable passes through the lock tongue hole. Thread the cable through the internal component holes. Check that the deadbolt functions properly by turning the thumb turn. Insert and tighten the interior assembly with screws. Plug the cable to connect the interior assembly. Insert the battery. Once the setup is complete, reinstall the battery cover. Your lock is now ready to use.